Good morning, everybody. It's Lonnie, and we are at storage. I'm going to pull some orders that are going out on eBay. Pretty good sales day yesterday, actually really good. But first I want to talk about a video I uploaded last week in which I found, it's the one about declutter. It's a couple of videos back from this one. And it's one in which I found $200 stuffed into a jewel case of an Alison Krauss CD. And, you know, there's quite a few people that didn't believe it even happened, which I understand. Like if you see a random guy, like you click on a video because it's got cash in the thumbnail or whatever, and you see some random guy pulling $200 out of a CD jewel case, it's pretty hard to believe. And I understand that. You know, I get that. I probably would have a hard time believing me too if I just clicked on the random video and saw that. But what some people thought, not a lot, just like maybe 5 or 6 of them said, you know, you should take that money back to where you bought the CDs. It's not right to keep it. Some kids saved their money there. They had several different theories about why that money was there, and they, you know, told me that I should bring it back, which if someone thinks that I should bring it back, I respect that opinion. But what I don't really respect as much is, you know, people imposing their ethics or their morals on me. I don't really pay any attention to that. But I would like to say that I do have one, there is one rule that I kind of go by. I'm pretty simple guy. One rule, the way I look at those kind of buys, whenever I get a little more than I expected, or even if I get less than I expected on a buy for something that I intended to resell. And here's the code I live by with that. When I buy it, it's mine, for better or for worse. When I buy something, it belongs to me. So I don't even look at giving that money back as a possibility because it belongs to me now. So if I did give that money away to somebody, it wouldn't probably be to them because I don't know those people. But that's really simple, right? When I buy it, it's mine. And now, having said that, if I would have seen that $200 before I bought the CDs, and some of y'all may not believe this, if I would have saw it before I bought it, I would have said, hey, there's cash in here. You might want to take this. But since I didn't, since I bought it and then got it home, and then a couple of days later, I find the 200, well, at that point, it's mine. So, and I understand people that have different opinions on that. But anyways, let's go ahead and pull some orders. Enough chit chat. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna show y'all, these super ugly Converse leather high tops. They're kind of crazy, really. But I've had these up for sale for, I don't know. I'm not really sure. Feels like about a year. You can see there's the All-Star little logo thing there. I paid $10 for these at a yard sale. And I've had them priced way up just because there weren't a whole lot of comps or information out there. And man, nobody ever bid or anything on these things. So anyway, somebody sent me an offer the other day for $70. And I'm tired of looking at these things. I think they're the oldest pair of shoes in my inventory. So I took the offer and they paid $70 plus shipping. Great profit. It's not the 150 I thought I might get, pie in the sky type thing, but it's still really good. Okay, sold a couple of these little gun parts. I think they're right here. Let's see, what is this? These are grip extensions for a Glock Model 42. 2 of them. Took an offer on these 2 guys. 2 of them for $10 plus shipping. Took an offer. Some Mary Kay. Make sure it's the right one. Luminous wear. Time wise. Bronze something or other. Bronze 7. Yep, that's it. So this is, I just got a few things left from a really big Mary Kay buy. Like just these few little guys here. really big Mary Kay buy I made over a year ago now. Bought like 4 cases of Mary Kay stuff, and I've sold through all of it except for just a few items right there. So yeah, I took an offer on that, $6 plus shipping. Okay, I sold some jeans, some curvy jeans, Levi's women's curvy jeans, something like that. C54, took an offer, $10 plus shipping on top. Okay, I bought 5 of these little HP thin clients, these little computers. 5 of them for $80 a few months back, and I'm selling the last one right now. I got $69.99 plus shipping on top for this one. And these are old, a little older technology, probably, I don't know, I would guess about 5 years old. But it's a complete computer here. This would be a kind of computer you'd see in like a doctor's office or something like that, I would think. Okay, I sold a boot bag by Noble Outfitters. And I took an offer, $18 plus shipping. I've had it priced at like $35, I think, for quite a few months now. And I'm ready to go ahead and get all this sporting goods stuff moved. I mean, I've sold most of it, but you know, I'm taking reasonable offers on stuff. Yeah, it's just for boots. I think it's like I think they make these like for boots that get muddy or wet or whatever. You could put them in here so you don't get the rest of your gear wet. That's my guess anyway. I might be wrong. Okay, now I'm looking for this game. It's called Express. It's kind of a railroad card game of some sort. Haven't seen it yet. There it is. Look, it's right there. Should be able to reach that without the stool. Ugh. Oh my God, barely. I got it. Okay. Whew. It's about the limit. Let's see, I got $15 plus shipping for this. I took an offer. I think I paid $1 or $2 for this at a yard sale. I sold an SU-25 frog foot Revell model. Let me grab my step stool so I can grab her. Oh, you know what? I already know to another model I sold on this same stack here. So I'll pull it now as well. This is one of them I sold. SU-25 frog foot. I don't think I've heard of this jet before. Huh. I don't even know who used that. SU-25, that's probably Russian, I would imagine. Right, and then the other one I sold, I got $24.99 plus shipping for that one. And the other one is this guy right here, big T-Rex. Got $50 plus shipping for him. Oh, I can't one-hand this. Yeah. All right. Yeah, $50 plus ship on this one. This was the probably the biggest model. The Atlantis presents prehistoric scenes. This is a they're pretty much all reissues, honestly. I think I sold one more model too. I think it's 3 models going out today. Okay, yeah, I also sold a Revell Ferrari California open top edition. So you see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Ferraris right here. What'd I get for this guy? Before I pull it, let's see what I get. $15. These aren't really that interesting. I've got the open top. See, I have closed top, open top, and that's a closed top. So Gonna grab this open top one. I guess, is that like a newer version of the Magnum PI Ferrari? I don't know. Shit, probably not. Woo, missed a step. Skipped a step there. All right, so yeah, 3 models going out. That's good. Yep, open top. Double checking. Okay, I got a couple more things to pull, but I need to go ahead and bag everything up in one of these IKEA bags. Look how much stuff fits in these bags. They are magical. Just magic. So I brought 2 bags with me. Let's see what else I got. A couple more things going out. Oh, okay, yeah, 2 more things going out. So this is actually the 4th lot of these I've sold. I actually shipped another lot, I think yesterday. Yeah. I sold, how many of these did I sell this time? These VHS tapes. You can see these are VHS tapes that have shows or movies recorded on them. Sold these for $21.99. How many? See how many it was. 25 of them. This is the 4th lot of these I've sold, and they've sold, when I've sold these things, they've sold within a week every time. So I think I have some more. Left. So if y'all want to sell this kind of stuff, like it, I understand like there may be some issue with selling stuff recorded on VHS tape. I don't know, because I think they're either buying them to use them as blanks, or might be more likely they're buying them for like the old shows or something. I don't know. Whatever. I don't think too much about it. Okie doke. Last thing that I'm pulling, and I'm not going to do this with one hand. Maybe we can do it right here on the shelf. This Magnavox. What model is it? Got the book. ZV450 MW8A. It's a VHS and DVD recorder. So what I get for that? Got, pull it up on the phone again. This actually took what? About a week to sell. But I got $139.99 plus shipping on top. So that was awesome. It was best sale of the week, I guess, profit wise. Yeah, it came with the unit itself, which is in really nice condition, manual and remote. So I mean, I don't know if I got top money, but I got up there. I got pretty close to top money for that. All right, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope y'all sales are going well. I had a slow weekend actually, but then yesterday made up for it, and it looks like sales are going to be pretty good today too, I hope. All right, guys, I will see y'all next time. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.